I'm John Handman from Radium. I'm the Sales and Export Manager for Radium. Standing here next to a slasher that we've just reintroduced into the market. It's a 3-meter Pro Cut, has 3 Bondioli gearboxes with a double cutting mechanism underneath. Very efficient for pastures and maintaining pastures. We also then have the heavy-duty PTO with the slip clutch on the end, which obviously protects the tractor and the machine. Also, to just let you know, this is our 3-meter model. We are currently busy with a 4.5-meter gull-wing machine, and we have a 2-meter version of this as well. As everyone knows, Radium's known for our spreaders. This model here that we're having a look at is a Pro Spread model, and it comes in 4 different sizes, starting at a 10-ton, 12-ton, 15-ton, and then a 20-ton model as well. Has a chain width of 730 millimeters and has a hydraulic gearbox, which is standard on all models except the 10-ton, which you can go to a ground drive on. And they are all variable rate ready for any system that you would want to particularly put on. This is our bulk spread model. Comes in 2 versions, the 11-ton and 13-ton. The unique thing about this particular model is the width of the chain. We have a meter-wide chain, and this is model recommended for organic spreading. If you are spreading chicken manure, kraal manure, compost, that type of product. It can also spread lime and gypsum as all the machines do, but doesn't take the full capacity on this chain. It also has unique spinner plates, which we use for organic material, as opposed to the conventional thin spinner plates, which we use for lime and gypsum. But they are interchangeable. This is one of the models in our compact spread range. This is the baby, the 2.5-ton. We've made it nice and low and nice and narrow to be able to get into orchards, vineyards, that type of thing. It has a 500-meter wide chain. And on this particular model, we have a band spreader, or a belt attachment rather, that places the material in bands. This can be removed. You can then get projection off the belt under the trees. It comes standard with the spinners and is interchangeable. So if you're wanting to broadcast, you can remove the belt attachment and put the spinners back on. Here we have Radium high-speed inline disc. This is the medium-duty version, which has individually mounted discs on the beam with the rubber inserts. It's a 22-inch disc, quite a heavy machine, and we've purposefully made it that way so that in drier conditions you can get better penetration. The roller is an integral part of the machine. As you can see, this is where your depth control is manually adjusted. There is a heavy-duty version where each disc is mounted on a spring mechanism, which allows for more movement of the disc in a vertical position, which is really useful when you are working in an uneven ground. So this is one of 5 grader models that we make. It's what we call a uni grader. There's a 2.4 meter wide blade. It's obviously trail grader and is controlled from the tractor cab. It does also have end plates that fit onto the blade, which can give you that dam scoop effect. The Agri grader, which is slightly bigger, has a 3-meter blade and is in all other respects exactly the same. We then have a universal grader, which is a trailed grader, but has its own operator that sits on the machine. This is what we call our eco grader. It's a 3-point grader, and we then have a heavier version of this on a 3-point grader as well. As most people will know, we have now become part of the Rovic stable and are the newest company to join Rovic. However, all of our products are still available from us through the normal means. We have a great website, which is www.radium.co.za. And if you have any inquiries, all of our contact numbers are on there, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.